Understanding push notifications, a guide to staying updated. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very common yet often misunderstood term in our digital world: push notifications. These little messages pop up on our devices every day, but what exactly are they? Let's explore together and make sure you never miss out on important updates. Push notifications are messages that appear on your device, sent by apps or websites. They provide updates, offers, or other information. Unlike texts or emails, you don't have to open the app to receive these notifications. They push through to your screen, grabbing your attention. Push notifications are crucial because they help you stay informed without needing to constantly check different apps or websites. They can alert you about new messages or emails, special offers or sales, updates from your favorite social media platforms, reminders for events or tasks. These notifications ensure you don't miss out on important information or opportunities. One of the best parts about push notifications is that you can tailor them to suit your needs. You can choose which apps can send you notifications. This helps avoid unnecessary interruptions. Adjust the settings for each app. Decide whether you want sound, badges, or banners. Set quiet hours. Specify times when you don't want to receive notifications, ensuring they don't disturb you during work or rest. Understanding these settings can significantly improve your device experience, making it more personalized and less intrusive. Push notifications are a powerful tool, keeping you connected and informed. By understanding and customizing them, you can ensure that you receive the most relevant information in a way that fits your lifestyle. We hope this guide has been helpful in demystifying push notifications. Stay tuned, stay informed, and see you in the next video.